Hey guys, what's up? My name's Ruby and let's check out some news. First up, the 91st Oscars has just happened in LA. Some of the world's biggest celebrities and movie stars have hit the red carpet for the event, but for a lot of them, it's all about taking home this little guy.
It's the award show that celebrates champions in the film industry. There were plenty of sparkles, ruffles, and really weird outfits. Are those rabbits?
Never distract from the story.
Anyway, superhero movies enjoyed plenty of time in the spotlight, with Black Panther winning in 3 categories, while Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse took home Best Animated Flick. You might recognise the Best Song winner too, Shallow by Lady Gaga and Bradley Cooper. But the biggest award, Best Picture, went to Green Book, a movie about racism in the US during the 1960s. And just like that, another year of laughter, smiles, and tears is all over.
Thank you so much.
Would you ever go on a holiday to outer space? It might sound ridiculous, but space tourism company Virgin Galactic has just taken one giant leap towards making it happen.
It's time to pack a suitcase, jump on a rocket, and for at least a few minutes, become an astronaut. Virgin Galactic has just completed a test flight of VSS Unity, a rocket-powered spaceplane, with 2 pilots and its very first passenger on board.
Congrats, Steve.
After taking off in this incredibly fancy-looking plane, the actual rocket sends passengers to the edge of space, which the US says is about 80 k's up, earning everyone on board their commercial astronaut wings. Aww.
Welcome to the club, astronaut.
You can't actually book a flight date for this yet, but predicted costs are really high. At the moment, space tourism is pretty focused on just getting up there, into space. So it's going to be a while before you can check out the volcanoes on Mars, or go ice skating on one of Jupiter's moons, if that's what you're into.
Back here on Earth, there has been a glamorous event of a different kind. Mullet Fest. We're talking hair, not fish, by the way. There were young mullets.
My name's Elise and I've been growing my mullet for about a year. It's a lifestyle, it's not a choice.
Old mullets.
I love my mullet. I've had it for 48 years, since I was 10 years of age.
And other mullets.
I've been growing my mullet for I don't know how long because I'm old and we forget stuff.
My mullet means the world to me.
But only one mullet could be crowned best mullet of them all.
I've never looked back since I got it. It was the most fantastic thing I've ever done to my head, and I'll be having this mullet for the rest of my life.
And on our special Oscars day, we thought we'd hand out some awards of our own in our segment, and the award goes to... The award for lamest excuse ever goes to the New York Knicks. Their coach has blamed their bad form this season on Fortnite. He says some of the younger players on the team have been sacrificing sleep in favour of the game. The award for Best Supporting Role at a Party goes to Tay-Tay Swift.
And if you would give a warm welcome to my friend Taylor.
She made a surprise appearance at this party over the weekend. T-Swift performed her song King of My Heart, and I'm sure melted plenty of them in the process. The award for the most creative use of snow we've seen in a while goes to this bloke. He decided to turn his snow-covered ice rink into a work of art that you might recognise. Behold, the Snow-Na Lisa. Pretty impressive. And finally, the award for biggest tantrum ever goes to Chelsea goalkeeper Kepa. At the English League Cup final, he threw this tantrum when his coach tried to sub him off, and then he refused to leave the field.
It's a war of wills at the moment.
A few minutes later, the game went to penalties, and, well, Kepa was more zero than hero.
How did that squirm through? Sterling scores!
And Man City went on to win. And that's the show for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. And tell me, are there any movies that you think should have won an Oscar that didn't? What was your favourite movie of the year? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.